Who the fuck are you, bitch? You ain't got a billion, everybody moving. The goose with missions make a different kind of movement. You block our vision, see a different kind of crew, bitch. Different kind of crew, bitch. Who the fuck are you, bitch? You ain't got a billion, everybody moving. The goose with missions make a different kind of movement.
What's up, guys? Mama Reacts, back in the brand new video. And today for this video we have Legend, a Dragon Ball tale, full film 2022 Studio Stray Dog. Now this is by AgentMysteryMeat. Now the reason I'm reacting to this is because I've actually been seeing this clip around for a minute. I've seen a clip on a little bit of the clip on Twitter, and then I see that in the city reacts to it. So I'm like, and mind you, I saw just a little bit, and I'm like, holy crap, this is going hard as freak. So I'm like, bruh, we gotta react to this, bruh. So full shout out to AgentMysteryMeat. I hope you don't mind reactions. Obviously, if you prefer me not to be reacting to this, not everybody wants reactions to the videos. If you prefer not, just hit me up. I'll make sure I don't, or at least I guess I'll make sure I take the video down if you prefer not have reactions. But anyhow, this looks like it's gonna be. I'm excited for this, bro. I'm ready to see the full thing because from the clips I see, this looks crazy, bro. So let's just go ahead and get into this. Let's not waste no time. Let's just hop into this. The following is a non-profit fan film. I just take a minute to read this for a second, y'all. Cause so if I'm not mistaken, I think I heard it took years for them. Okay. Okay. Alright. Hey, you're right. You won't be disappointed. Dragon Ball Fire. Oh, my bad. I better say that. again because y'all probably didn't hear me before I started the video. I said, you're right. We won't be disappointed. Both Dragon Ball and this is about to be fire. I see, like I said, I see a little bit. Let's do it. Bro, just this little part of all we got the little messages making me feel like this thing's gonna have a lot of heart put into it, like a lot of heart and passion put into this, bro. Like, I'm sorry, I need to stop all this, bro. Just gotta get into it.
Stay strong. Your crown is here, and your kingdom awaits your return.
Just how stupid can you be?
Have we ever met?
Have we ever met?
If you don't mind, can you just tell me what I forgot so I can remember?
Unbelievable! And did you forget the promise you made me as well?
Oh yeah, just go back to the original Dragon Ball. I still can't believe the way I was like, thank goodness Goku actually fell in love with Chi-Chi, because this girl Chi-Chi, I don't know, she basically made him marry her. That's crazy, bro. Hold up.
You promised to marry me, Goku!
Well, his life's over.
His life's over. Hey, I mean, no, snap. Don't even say that.
Is that all you can say for yourself?
sure. Hold up. But that Broly, 100%. Don't nobody have green key energy blast like that. I mean, technically Kale does, but yeah, technically Kale does, but I'm gonna keep it real with you. I don't like Kale, so I'm just gonna pretend I don't even know her. I'm gonna keep it real with you. I don't like Kale. I really don't. She just kind of got on my nerves in Dragon Ball Super. Like, Kefla, I kind of. Oh wait, no wait. I think it was my bad. Khalifa. Khalifa, I like. She really grew on me, but Kale, I'm sorry, I really don't like her like that. But I know this is Brawling 100%. It's over 9,000! I'm sorry, y'all. I couldn't help it.
It's not every day that a king leaves his throne, but for you, I make a royal exception.
Bro, look at these motherfuckers. Bro, look, they call me Mr. Popo in the background. These motherfuckers just look like... Well, we're screwed. No, just look at the way these motherfuckers looking. Oh, by the way, looks like this is gonna be Z-Brawly, not Super Brawly, obviously. I ain't gonna lie, Z-Brawly was a freaking savage, bro. Z-Brawly is a freaking savage, bro. He really is, bro. That motherfucker. Ooh! Richard, look at their faces. They're like, oh, we're screwed. Look at their faces.
All my life I've trained for this one moment. For the pride of the Saiyans. For my family. And yes, even you, Kakarot. Saiyan legend, hear me! Today a god falls. Bones to dust. Ashes to the wind!
Oh! Oh, oh! Yo! Oh! Oh! Bro, hold up! This going hard as freak! Bro, hold up! This going hard as freak! Bro, I can only imagine actually how long it took y'all to do this! This going hard as freak! I ain't seen something this hard in a long time! Bro, I ain't seen no YouTube video to go this hard in a long time, bro. It's been a hot minute. I seen the animation on YouTube go this hard, bro. Bro, honestly, I don't even think I have seen animation on YouTube go this hard. You know, I'll be right back, y'all. I can hear my dog acting up. I'll be right back. Alright, y'all, my bad. My dog was whining. She don't like it when I'm not paying attention to her. Woo! Ooh, the whole ribs. The whole Knock this man out of Super Saiyan, bro. Run that back. Now this coming up right here. This is the part I saw. This is the part like I actually saw the clip I saw on Twitter, bro. Okay. Yeah. Ooh. Oh. Ooh. Bro, that's what Joe Broly would do too. You could be about to hit your final move, then motherfucker just go come back on there. Bro, nah, but he trying to snap that man. Oh, he trying to ball him up. Oh, oh, oh. Woo! Oh, he took his man's hand off. He took this man's hand off. Bro, imagine if this was Vegeta. Imagine if this was Vegeta during the actual Dragon Ball Z movie with Broly, bro. Because you know, the original Dragon Ball Z movie with Z Broly, and like Vegeta turned into a whole hoe. That man was so scared of Broly, he couldn't do nothing, bro. Like, yeah, he got his act together, but that towards like at one point in the movie, he got his act together, but that motherfucker was a hoe. He wouldn't do nothing. Imagine if this was how Vegeta was like during that movie. I mean, in a way, he was kind of like that during the Super Broly movie. But just imagine back there. Oh, just imagine Vegeta go. I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry, bro. I'm just getting too hyped for this. This is just, bro. This is so freaking dope. Oh, oh, oh. Oh. Ain't no way, Chi-Chi. Come on, Chi-Chi, you gotta go sit down. You gotta go sit down, girl. You can't do nothing. Ooh. Yeah, this man said he slapped the frick out of her arm. I don't know why my junk does that all the time, which just randomly cuts out. But anyhow, back to what I was saying. All right, let's look at this one more time. I really don't want to though. Oh! Sweet Jesus! That man said, God Lord, the way he, oh, I got this is giving me flashbacks to that fight Videl had with, I forgot what his name was, but it was the big dude, it was the big bald dude that worked for Bobbity. Oh, I got flashbacks to that fight, bro. This was just quick. And then she was down. But I still got flashbacks to that, bro. That was brutal as freak. But now here comes this scene. This scene coming up is probably one of the main reasons I wanted to see the full thing. This maid scene got my class saw this part, but I wish I wouldn't have seen it, bro. This, y'all about to see what I'm talking about. This scene coming up is crazy, bro. Hey! Hold on. Bro, this scene right here, this scene reminiscent to when Goku first turned Super Saiyan. He looked exactly like this. Except, of course, they were on Namek. But, yo, oh my God, this is about to go crazy. Oh! 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 Do y'all see this transformation, bro? This is crazy. This feels like I got on. What am I supposed to call it? Like, what type of form is I supposed to call this? It's like, it feels like the way the tail start glowing, stuff like that. It feels like a combination of the Great Ape and Super Saiyan, but it also feels like a combination of something else. You know what? This is a combination of Super Saiyan, the Great Ape, and Satan. That's what this is. That's what this is. Bro, imagine if Goku's Super Saiyan form looked like this, though. But I'm not hating on the original Super Saiyan form. I love the original Super Saiyan form. But just imagine if this is what it looked like, bro. That would be crazy, bro. Plus, it'll be good. A good way of showing, because the Great Ape power was still originally there, was what they originally had before Super Saiyan. You know what I mean. So it'll be dope as freak if Super Saiyan was like a combination of the form with the hair glowing red, glowing gold, plus a little bit of the Great Ape powers. Plus a little bit reminiscent of the Great Ape. That would be dope as freak. Even though technically speaking, Broly kind of has reminiscent of the Great Ape, he could access the Great Ape powers in base form, but still, but y'all know what I mean. It's great. Ooh. The double color. Yeah, bro. This is the most latest animation I have ever seen on YouTube, bro. This is the latest thing I've ever seen on YouTube, bro. Period, bro. Period, triple exclamation point, bro. This is the latest, bro. No, roll that double Kamehameha back. I didn't even know Vegeta could. Bro, I completely forgot. Cause Vegeta even used Kamehameha. But imagine if they did it like they did it like in the Super movie, where they combined Kamehameha and Galaga. That would have been so dope. Woo!
Stop calling me that. That name is your birthright. For you, just like I, are the legacy of a proud race of golden warriors. We are the keepers of the primal light. Your light is out of control and must be refined to be useful. Your days under the sun are numbered, Kakarot. So marry that woman while you still have the chance. And come with me. We have to prepare. For what? War.
War against who? Wait, maybe it's Frieza's army. Wait, what else is left? Wait, this thing's 11 minutes and 29 seconds long. We're at 8 minutes and 52 seconds. Hold on, let me see if there's something else left. Hey, let me know that all these things, like the voice actors showing up right here, they all did their thing, bro. The voice actor was crazy right there. I ain't gonna lie. Like, with Goku's voice, I genuinely thought that was actually Goku right there. I thought that was Goku's actual voice right there, but I could slightly tell the difference between the two. But I thought that was Goku's actual English dub voice. But first of all, bro, whatever you're doing right now, drop what you're doing, clap it up. I don't care what you're doing right now, bro. I don't care if you're doing a handstand. Clap with your feet. Clap it up right now, bro. As a matter of fact, I need y'all to spam the comment section with the clapping emoji, bro. Put it in the comment section, bro. That was crazy, bro. Is there anything else? Or they just showed off? Is there anything else? Or they just showed off the voice actors? Because I'll probably still go through anyway, just so we can show a proper respect to these incredible people. Oh heck no! This man don't update his vocabulary. This man probably only knew the word cap right now. He done updated his vocabulary to Vegeta. No sir.
Hi, I'm Buster Pasha, and I'm the creator of Legend of Dragon Ball Tale.
You did an amazing job of this. Absolutely phenomenal. Okay, we got. I'm sorry, bro. We got to actually sit here and listen to this. Hold up.
There's a lot I'd like to say, but I'll save most of it for another time. First, I'd like to say thank you to each of you for taking the time to watch this film. Your attention is greatly appreciated. As well, I'd like to give a huge and sincere thank you to my entire team who helped me bring this film to life. Their work is supremely skillful. I've gone ahead and dropped links to their socials in the YouTube description of this video, so please do take the time and check out all their work and share it with your friends. And lastly, it goes without saying, but animation takes a lot of time and energy and focus and stamina and budget and time. We had all that stuff except the budget. My entire team did this out of the sheer enthusiasm for Dragon Ball Z and the project itself. If this film was something that you really loved and you're excited to see more of my other work and animations, please consider contributing to my Patreon. Your patronage will be deeply appreciated. And who knows, maybe the next one won't take 4 years. Anyway, thank you for your time, attention, and support. My planet needs me.
Wow. So it took 4 years to make this. Wow. It took them 4 years to make. That's crazy. The fact that it took them 4 years to create this is insane. But that was absolutely phenomenal. Okay. And when I tell you that was probably the best, if not one of the best animations I've ever seen on YouTube, I mean that joke. That was absolutely phenomenal. Full props to everyone who's on that team. The full props to the voice actors. Oh, it was just freaking amazing. I actually really hope he's turning Legend into like a series. The way he set it up is making it seem like it's gonna be a series. Excuse me. Fingers crossed it's gonna actually be a series. I wanna see more of it, bro. I really do. Like, I wanna see so much more of this, bro. But I understand that even if he does turn a series, if he wants to be this type of same quality, it's gonna take a lot of time and effort and crazy like that. So we need to show our full support for this book, man, so he can keep putting out this type of stuff. Obviously, make sure you don't push yourself too much. I know, like he said, it takes a lot of work to do this type of stuff, so don't push yourself. But I would love to see more of this type of stuff. 100% guys, subscribe. Make sure y'all go subscribe to too. I'm gonna make sure I leave a link to the original video in the comments in the description below. So make sure y'all go click that and go subscribe to this, man. Cause that was crazy, bro. Anyhow, it's coming to end this video. I hope y'all enjoyed. That was so freaking lit. Be sure to like, subscribe, comment down below what y'all want to see me react to next. And until next time, y'all. See ya.